Now in these given questions, A is given, B is given, C is given. These are all three vectors such that r dot A equals to 0, and this is given, and we need to find r dot C. Now this sum will start from here, okay? From this, let's see how it works. Therefore, this is what R cross B. The B cross C is, I can say, C cross B minus, okay? This equals to 0. From here, I can take B, is implies R minus C vector cross B vector is equals to 0. It means what? R minus C and B are parallel each other, okay? Therefore, you can say, therefore, these R is implies R minus C and B vector are parallel. Okay. Therefore, this can be expressed, we can write, therefore, this implies R minus C is equals to some lambda into B. Okay, why it is? Since it is parallel, okay, for some lambda, okay, lambda greater than 0. Therefore, R vector equals to what? Let's send this side. So, lambda B plus C vector, okay. These are all vectors. Now, our aim is to find this R, okay. Our aim is to find this R. Now, it is given that R dot A, okay. Therefore, we have R dot A is equals to what? What we have R here, lambda B plus C dot A vector is equals to lambda into B dot A plus C dot A, okay, is equals to what? Is equals to lambda into B dot A. B dot A is here. 4 into 1 is what? 4 plus 3 into 1 is 3 and then 0, okay, plus C dot A. C dot A is what? 7 into 4, 28. Here this 3 is a 9 and then here 0, okay. So is what? 4 plus 3 is what? 7 lambda. 28 minus 9 is what? 19, okay. This is what R dot A, okay. It is given this equals to 0. It implies from here we will get lambda. So 7 lambda is equals to minus 19. Therefore, lambda equals to minus 19 upon 7. Now, let's substitute this value of lambda over here, okay. Therefore, R vector equals to what? What is lambda? Minus 19 upon 7 into V vector plus C vector. Okay. We have R, okay. So, since we have R, we can find this very easily. Therefore, now R dot C is equals to R is, we have this, minus 19 by 7 V vector plus C vector dot C vector is equals to what? Minus 19 by 7 B dot C and then plus C dot C, or you can say more of C the whole square, okay. Therefore, this is same as minus 19 by 7. What is B dot C? Okay, B here, C is here, okay. So, here 7 minus 3 here plus 4 ones are 4 plus here C, okay. 7 sevens are 49 here 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16, okay. So, this is what? 74. This equals to 366 upon 7, okay. This is what? R dot C, okay. This is a value for R dot C.